Hello gorgeous, welcome to my channel. Today's video you're going to watch me take down my hair, do a length check, and you're going to see me redo my crochet braids, and I will be using the rubber band method. So here I've only had these crochets in for about a month and a half. You see my hair is coming out. I'm going to show you a way where you can crochet your hair and not have your own hair come out of the twist. Okay, so make sure you keep watching and subscribe and like this video. So just make sure you are careful with taking out your twist. You want to make sure you just tug on it a little bit and then it should easily slide out. I do use rubber bands. In the front I use one rubber band. In the mid back I will use two, and then the lower nape of my hair I will just use one rubber band. Alright, so you're going to see in a little bit where I'm going to struggle with one, but just make sure you are taking your time. So in this process I am just going to unravel all of the twists in my hair, and then I will go in and clip out the rubber bands. I did that part off camera. So this right here is where you want to just kind of like separate the hair where the actual weave got a little tangled, and just go side to side just to pull it out. Alright, so now we're moving on to the back. I'm just going to show just a little clip of this. I am a little out of frame because I was filming a TikTok video, so make sure you follow me on TikTok. She is Tamika. Woo child, now I am done. I am so happy, but I'm not really completely done. But I skipped that part of taking out the rubber bands, but this is my length check. So from November, and here it is January. This is what my hair looks like. I just have really thick hair, and my tip to you guys is to make sure you are using protective styles and keep your hands out your hair as much as possible so that your hair will grow. Now that little itch, that thing feels so good, but I already shampooed my hair, so let's go ahead and get into the products that I will be using. I will say that I will not use any type of milk products and have my hair severely wet the way I did, because the jam that I use was just slipping all over my hair. It wasn't laying my hair down the way I wanted it to if my hair was dry, if that makes sense. The product that I will show you, which is the Can2, that's not the product that I use currently. I just use what I had. But if you want to see a video, well, in matter of fact, I will have a video out of the hair product that I use, because I need to do a retouch up on my hair that I currently have in my head now, which you're seeing right now. So I will have that video out soon for you guys. So make sure you comment down below which products you use for your natural hair and what jam do you use. Share that down in the comment section below, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this by giving me a thumbs up. Alright, so for this detangler brush, I want to let you know that I got it from Temu for cheap. It came in a set, came with 2 combs and some clips. It was all the same color. I got it for like about $7 or less. But again, shop on Temu for your little essential items, because it is so cheap and you will thank me for it. And half of y'all are probably already shopping on Temu, so girl, shop on Temu if you have not tried it. For those who do not know, that I have been natural for the second time around. So I have been natural for 9 months now. So I completely shaved my hair, not bald, but it was like extremely like a boy cut, I would say, back in April, and my hair has thrived. Like I said earlier, I just let my hair grow, do its thing, and then when it got long enough, I started using the rubber bands. And I started using the rubber bands back in October, so I waited about 5-6 months before doing that process. My hair does shrink, so like if I don't do my hair for a while, just letting it just free do its own thing, don't apply any product, my hair is like matted down. But once I apply product, of course it stretches out like this. So this is what my hair looks like, and it will shrink down a little bit more once it dries. But of course, when you wear it in its stretched out look, your hair looks a whole lot longer than what it is. But girl, just be patient with your hair and let it do its thing. I originally first was natural back in 2017. I believe it was May of 2017. And I was natural for about a good 3.5 years, and then converted over to being relaxed again. And then now I'm back natural. So this is what my hair looks like. I have about maybe 15, almost 20, not even 20, about 15 plaits in. So you're just going to watch me a little bit here, just put in the braids. I'm sorry, the Marley twist. It's not braids, the Marley twist. Marley twist. All right, so here I'm going to show you a little tip on how I am able to cover my hair so that my hair will not come out like it did in the beginning when I showed you in the first intro of the video. So I'm just going to apply some product on my edges to stretch it out. So I think I'm using the Cantu, and then I'm going to gently comb my hair out so it will stretch out. All right, so I had to apply more so it can like stretch out fully, and then that way you can, see my length a little bit more. All right, so once you get it stretched out, then you're going to twist your hair. All right, well, I didn't even twist it yet, so I applied the second part of the hair. So I'm going in an upward position. So I'm making a cross, okay? So what I'm going to do with the middle section that I just installed, I am going to twist that with my own natural hair. And I'm going to twist it up until I reach the end of my own natural hair. And then I am going to do a 3 braided with the rest of the hair. So the part that's in the middle will be my my third leg to a regular braid. At this point, now I am twisting the hair. So all I did was just grab the second and the third leg of the hair and just twist it around the first part of it. So I'm gonna redo this one, not this one, but I'm gonna show you again, but except for I'm gonna do it a little bit better. So instead of me braiding about halfway and then twisting, I am only going to braid about 1/4 down and then start to twist, so it can look a little bit more cohesive rather than it's like thick in the middle and then a twist at the bottom. So of course, detangle the hair, get the second hair that I added in, because remember it's a cross, so north and south. I'm going to twist that up with my own natural hair until I reach the end of my own natural hair, and then I will stop, and then that way I will have 3 strands, and then I will start to braid it about 1/4 down, then I will twist it up. So just keep watching and you'll see it and I already did it, but it looks a little bit more sleek compared to the first one that I did, because it looks a little more stiff and not so good looking. So I'm gonna just continue this whole process. Girl, it took me about maybe 2.5 3 hours. Like, this whole entire thing, the whole entire process took me about good almost 4 hours. I'll just give it that, 4 hours. But I enjoy doing my own hair. I don't go to anybody to do it, especially for easy styles like this. If I do a complicated hairstyle, of course I will go to a hairstylist. But this is what my hair looks like. Your girl is getting ready to go hang out and watch the game. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.